In this video, I'll show you how to copy messages link on Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of education and guidance and contents like this. When I mean messages link, let's say you want to copy, let's say like 2 or 3 messages, right? The link of 2 or 3 messages from a Telegram channel. What we're going to do right now, I'm going to click on this copy. I'll head back to, let's say, one of these test channels I created. I'm going to paste this right. This is the first message. So I want to copy the second one. I'll head over to my Telegram, right? I can click on this. I'll copy the second one. So I'll come on here. I'll go and still paste it, right? I'll use the Control V. So you can see this message, that's 8,198, and the second one is message that's 36,190. First one is 36,189. So this is how you can copy messages link on Telegram. If you haven't this video before, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.